Welcome back, travelers of the unknown. I'm your host, Asher Knight, and this is the Cosmic Radio Podcast where the weird, the whispered, and the wonderful cross the airwaves deep into the midnight hours. Tonight, we venture to the heart of Europe, to a scientific citadel buried beneath the surface, a modern temple to the quantum gods. I'm speaking of CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, home to the world's largest machine, the Large Hadron Collider. Officially, it's a place of physics, a place of particles, where atoms are smashed and secrets of the universe unravel in bursts of energy too fast for the human eye. But beneath the surface, under the buzzing of coils and the sterile glow of hallways, some say something else is happening, something deeper, darker, stranger. CERN and the quest for the God particle. Let's start with what we know. CERN was founded in 1954 and is most famous for discovering the Higgs boson, often dubbed the God particle, a scientific triumph. But why go to such lengths? Why construct a 17-mile ring underground to collide protons? Is it purely for discovery, or is it the key to something they won't talk about? Some say CERN is not just smashing particles, it's smashing reality, bending the fabric of space-time, and possibly opening doors. The black hole. Therion. 2008, as the collider prepared to fire up, an international storm of worry swirled. Some physicists, even those in the project, admitted it was theoretically possible for CERN to create tiny black holes. The official line? These black holes would be microscopic and evaporate in nanoseconds. But if we've learned anything from science fiction and from history, it's this. Things don't always go as planned. What if just one of those black holes didn't vanish? What if it dropped, undetected, through the Earth? Eating, expanding, waiting. A chilling thought. But it gets stranger. Portals to the fourth dimension. Some researchers propose that CERN may be interacting with more than just particles, that the collider may be a tool capable of breaching dimensions. Now, if you think that's absurd, consider this. Theoretical physics has long postulated that multiple dimensions exist beyond our three-dimensional world. Could the LHC, with its massive energy bursts, tear open the veil to these higher realms? And if so, what's peeking back through the hole? Employees at CERN have joked about demons, Shiva, and parallel timelines. But is it all a joke? There's the infamous 2016 video, supposedly filmed inside CERN, of a staged human sacrifice in front of a Shiva statue. CERN claims it was a prank, but it raises unsettling questions about the culture and what they may truly be summoning. The alchemy allegation, lead into gold. Here's a wild one for you. Can CERN turn lead into gold? Ancient alchemists believed it possible through the Philosopher's Stone. Today, some fringe physicists claim that at extreme energies, atomic transmutation is technically possible. In other words, rearranging the nucleus of an atom to create new elements. In 1980, researchers at Lawrence Berkeley Laboratory actually managed to synthesize gold from bismuth by nuclear reaction. So, could CERN be engaging in a form of modern alchemy, creating precious metals or exotic matter with unspoken properties? Or maybe, just maybe, the gold isn't literal. Maybe it's the alchemical consciousness shift, the transmutation of the human mind itself. The magnetic mystery. Let's pivot now to Earth's magnetosphere. Recently, scientists have observed strange behavior in our planet's magnetic field. The poles are drifting faster than ever recorded. The South Atlantic anomaly, a bizarre weak spot in Earth's field, is growing and migrating. Some speculate this could be tied to solar activity, inner-Earth anomalies, or even interference from human-made technology. Could the powerful magnetic fields generated by the LHC be affecting the planet's magnetic balance? A recent study noted that during high-energy runs, minor fluctuations in local geomagnetic readings were detected. Coincidence? Maybe. Or maybe we're poking the bear of nature a little too hard. What does it all mean? If CERN is opening portals, dabbling in dimensional rifts, and possibly influencing the Earth's own protective field, where does that leave us? Are we standing on the edge of enlightenment or the precipice of disaster? And here's the most tantalizing thought of all. What if they know exactly what they're doing? What if CERN, far from being a temple of knowledge, is a doorway, a keyhole, and they're not just looking through it, they're turning the key? Who or what might be waiting on the other side? We may never know for sure, but rest assured, here at Cosmic Radio, we'll keep watching the skies and the shadows. I'm Asher Knight, and this has been the Cosmic Radio Podcast. Until next time, stay curious, stay skeptical, and stay awake. Good night.